say they're getting this
Women
from
on
the
top.
hospital.
Let's see.
250. 1 hour for 300. Sure.
150.
So this is an evidence of where is it? So this is what is happening here. Can you
Yeah.
go closer? So this is the price list. 1 hour 300, 30 minutes 250. Women on top 200. Full house 350. Doggy 100 rand. Doggy blue job 150. Short time 70.
What is that last one?
1 hour fuck. I
1
don't
hour
know what is
fast.
that.
20 women.
And then this one is what? Threesome.
No,
Yeah, it's another branch.
it's another branch.
Okay, let's see. Yeah. Threesome 500. Who come with these prices? It's you.
No.
Who sit down and
He's
say
just-
this
he's
is
just-
the price list?
He just like it himself.
Or she likes
I'm not,
herself.
I'm not like it.
You don't what?
I don't like it there.
But you know the prices. So how do you operate?
When do they pay you? Let me ask you.
Let me see.
How does it work? When do they give
We
you?
don't charge him. He just sit here and they do it, they own his business.
You don't charge them. We don't charge.
But what is this now?
Not the more on what I'm we have guy paid. You get like 2,000.
So this is where the people write how much they make a day.
This lady keeps record.
So you have 50 rooms. How much is the rental a month?
A week.
700. So 700 times 50 plus the money that you get from the women. I'm told you
No,
are taking.
we don't get money for women.
So they pay 700 rand. That's it.
Yeah, that's it.
So why now they are saying they are waiting for money from you? You see, you are making us.
What we say the ladies?
So per month you are doing 35,000.
25,000 without payments.
We did
They
the money
paid
for what?
rent today.
Do I owe them money?
They say you owe him money for rent.
For
So
rent.
I asked them, I said, those who want money last, they said they don't want money. We
No,
told
but-
them, they said those who want money, they must come.
But
to
manager, this guy must not lie again. When we
don't lie in here.
when we were here, we doing investigation. The woman told us that in each and every arrangement, there's money that you get yourself. Isn't it true?
I don't
Let's say they say blow job 150. They take 100, you take 50.
No, we don't do that. We don't charge. You can ask everybody.
But they say so.
Who?
Some
You can ask any lady, other ladies. If you,
So how much do you make
We
with
don't-
this
we
rooms
don't charge in
yourself a month?
we only charging 700.
How much do you make? Oh, 700 each.
Yeah,
These people are 3 in the room, yes. Now it makes sense. So,
3,000 per room.
yeah, 3,000 per room.
Times how many rooms?
Yeah,
you
times 50. It's no, yeah.
got? For 16 years.
Times 50. Yeah, you make 150,000.
Yeah.
Even 200,000 per month. With this illegal structure. You're making a lot of money. And there's nothing out of no maintenance, nothing. It's like you who do animals.
They're African.
Sanibona, ngaphambi singene kwivideo namuhla, ngithi angithathe lethuba ngibonge isupport nothando nesikhombise lona lingaphezulu kokucabanga kwethu. Siyacela niqhubeke nisupporte njalo ngokubuka amavideo ethu, ungakhohlwa ukucomment, ushare, ulike. Siyafisa ukuzwa umbono wakho. Sicela ke singene kwivideo namuhla.
Go. So residents of Tshwane, this morning we came to Divorosong, which is a plot that is in Pretoria North. It's a brothel, it's a confirmed brothel, but in addition to the fact that here we found some ladies without papers, as usual. The operation is standard, that you get condoms in each room. We spoke to the ladies that work here and they tell us that here at least they pay 1,000 rand per month. But they were complaining about the conditions in which they work in, where men come here, they abuse them, sometimes they don't even pay the money. So we have located the owner of this plot, and what we have done was to bring our electricity teams. We've disconnected because they've connected illegally. Now, we want to continue this work. It's not supposed to only be because it's 16 days of activism, but this is human trafficking. There's no other way to look at this. Where you find ladies that are kept here They have no options to go anywhere. So yeah, so today we just came here. We continue, we'll go to different brothels that we know, because we need to highlight the scourge of human trafficking that's happening in our city. So yeah, that is the morning.
Dr. Nasiphi Moyo ngimkhonzile kakhulu, kodwa kulezi insuku uyangikhathaza ukwenza kwakhe ngoba umelene nenjabulo yamadoda. Uvala indawo lezi ezinosisi laba abathengisayo, kanti indawo lezi okugcwala khona amadoda ila amadoda ajabula khona. Kodwa ngale kokudlala, ngabe lento le abantu abangabaqwayizi noma labantu abathengisa ngomzimba kufanele besemthethweni na? Sizokhumbula ukuthi kulonyaka sakhumbula kahle kwaqondene naliphi holiday, kodwa CIC wakhuluma kanje.
Hours. When you talk healthcare, you talk women. We are saying to the South African government, you must legalize prostitution. No one is going to be raped by police in the name of being a prostitute. And when she goes to open a case, they can't open a case because they say she's a prostitute. Prostitution is the oldest profession in the whole world. Ukanoba muzalani whether warata or aurat, kim mereko ntwila. Una le batho ba ba berekang kwa. Respect those people. They too must have protection and have the workers' right.
Into engaqala ukukhuluma ngayo ngaso sona lesihloko. Wake waya komunye umsakazo, yazi ke mangabe kuzama elections, ama political parties ngokwehlukana kawayaphuma eindaweni ezehlukene kuma radio umphakathi, kumphakathi uqobo benza ama door to door bekhuluma nezinto bona uma bengase benikwe ithuba lokuthi baphathe abangazenza. No CIC naye ethola ithuba lokukhuluma kulomsakazo wakhuluma kanje mayelana nalesihloko.
I'm sure I mean, you should nationalize strip clubs and brothels. All men should be equal before a strip dancer.
Well, we will not. We'll make sure we legalize sex work so that it's properly regulated, and the sex workers are protected against potential harassment by police and customers. It is a profession that has been there for quite some time. Whether I like it or not, I can't do away with it. All I can do is to create a conducive environment for it. And people out of poverty, some out of their own voluntary thing, decide this is the kind of career I want to pursue. The ANC used its majority to reject it. We're talking gardeners, we're talking cleaners, we're talking security guards, we're talking maintenance guys. So people who are exploited. Your father comes to Johannesburg to be a security guard for 30 years to 50 years. When he comes back, he has nothing. And in most cases, nothing. In Limpopo, no, and all of that.
No
it's
pension,
not true.
Nothing.
Because though he was working at Johannesburg municipality building for all those years, security companies kept on changing, but they kept the men. The condition is that when you
ibambe lenkulumo ka CIC ngoba ifaka into eziningi ezibalekile, kanti iphuze bengifuna ukukhuluma ngalo la ilela lishoyo ukuthi awube semthethweni lo msebenzi wabantu laba kuthiwa mayengandoda. Lento into eyenzekayo njengoba tubona nje uDr Nasiphi Moyo emva kwakhe kunala amaroom enqwaba, amaroom abo labo sisi abathenza lo msebenzi. Kodwa ke bakhona nabantu abangewona ama South Africans abenza lo msebenzi, bakhona abangabala eSouth Africa abenza lo msebenzi. Kuthini uPaula kwakho?
I'm used to buy, like I'm a buyer, like I support this kind of business.
So what are the businesses?
Yeah.
Baira? Mo? Mara una ragma. Le patela gainen. Rent every day.
Yeah, every month.
Kilo khoa or ke motho motho. So di room tse ke tsa gae.
No pay motho mo.
So a o kono nna permanent mo. O fela o tla o.
Ke tla mo ka se ke mo ka high watch.
And then o kwa hao.
Ya o kwa.
Mara wa itse ro.
Why is it you don't have business? And then the thing is, if talk about the business, would you be able to take the business I'm doing now? But now some
Why am I taking to you?
Ke lore wena ona lo kra something yana mo business mo.
Na ke thumile ke reka.
Ke rona lo kra something mo
wena.
Una
Ra fa tshele wena o bejaela. Ra fa tshele.
Wena o no go enjoy ka mo o a robala ka mo o kra o
You must have something you should.
something le o
Aga ke mala o le nna angere ke re ke relationship ra thusa le nna ga shota ka o gono pone la re ke shota maybe ka ba rente bo 300 le nna ke gono mo. Oh, if you get girlfriend, so like patala in advance. I get patili, you must work.
Mara, ona di drugs mo. Crime.
Wait, sometimes in a whole need. Ne, like it's in una lodging to uno expect or the idea hala una possibility of the gabating. I said the getting more arity. But a possibility of the nothing or one is a process. And then but come up here, we want to learn.
Le no go ona le tavern around. Yeah, we must go to that tavern and check what is happening.
How much you paying rent a month?
1,000
to the owner. But how many rooms? Fish.
I told you.
Huh?
But it looks like a many play again. Owner.
Yeah, no,
So many of the ladies that stay here, they do business on the street.
Maro lady. When are we regular?
So at home,
every weekend,
what are they thinking?
They know that, they don't know that I'm going, but they think maybe I really want to know it was going to give me a hospital.
They don't know.
Marwana out to read in your man. Let's go to where you
But you're a young lady and you're messing up your whole life, your whole future. Huh?
Empilweni yami ngiyaqala ukubona umuntu ophumela obala athi mina ngiyakuthanda ukuthenga. Sho njalo lo bhuti. Ngiyaqala ukubona umuntu ophumela obala. Bonke abantu bazenza abantu nje abangakufuni kabe ukuthenga. Ikakhulukazi laba abathenga kakhulu. Bazenza abantu abangakufuni kube intembi kakhulu. Kodwa nje ngiyaqala ukubona umuntu othi yena uyakuthanda ukuthenga. Into ebhlungu ke ngale ndaba le yalomsebenzi walabo sisi ukuthi abantu abahambayo bayothenga imizimba ilaba abaganiwe, abanye banama ring, abanye bashiya amakhosikazi ezindlini bahambe bayohlala etshwaleni bagcine sebethengile lapha ya. Angiyazi lento yenziwa yini, angiyazi, kodwa nje esikhathini esiningi abantu abathola bethenga yilaba abaganiwe. Sike sikhulume ngalesihloko namuhla. Sikhulume nje ngalomsebenzi owenziwa labantu. Ngabe lo msebenzi ufanele ulegalizwe ube semthethweni? Ngifuna kwenziwe njani? Ngicela ukuze ukuphawula kwakho. Ngoba nawu umsebenzi lapho abantu bangama China nabase Nigeria abathole khona ithuba loku exploit abantu. Bonile ivideo mayiqala ukuthi lela China lela likhokhelwa 700 rand per month per person in a room. Irumini nefanga ngabe amantombazane awu3 roomini umuntu ngamunye ukhokha 700. So into enziwe yiChina ukuthi libanikeze indawo ephephile. Phela ukuthi libanikeze indawo ephephile ngoba bakhona laba bama emgwaqweni kuthiwa bayahlukumezeka ke masizwe. Kuthiwa bayahlukumezeka, bahlukunyezwa yiwo ama customer wabo namaphoyisa. Ngakho ke ingakho laba besendaweni ephephile for bona. Okusho ukuthi abakumind ukukhokha le mali abachargewa yona ngoba bayazi ukuthi bavikelekile. Kunanama bouncer phela la azokwazi ukubavikela uma uqala uthi uyabagolozela bazobiza ibouncer ligxavune kabuhlungu. Ngicela ke sixoxe ngalelo daba namhlanje.